Probably the best fitness we're ever gonna get.
What are you running from?
It's an action movie.
It's West Side Story. Nowadays. Oh my god! I feel like I was a Ninja Turtle.
Dude, I fucking love him.
What is he, Yoshi?
Yes.
Naturally.
I got tangled in my towel.
Yeah, Chris. Yeah. Chris, come out. Get a close up.
Chris, do it again.
Yeah. That's hot.
Oh, you put it back in your ass.
Sometimes I wonder if he's mentally retarded or not. Sometimes I wonder if he's amazing and just born that way. Hello.
Maybe she's born with it.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
It's Maybelline.
Best movie ever.
Okay, I'm gonna put these on
I'm gonna watch it.